Intermediates, welcome to the supplement book. Now, some of you like to do extra work and that's great, and some of you don't need to, and that's okay too. So let's take a look at our supplement book. Oh, let me just fix this up. All right, so we want to start out with our first name as always, and all names begin with uppercase letters, so they always start at the skyline and come down to the grass line and back up over to the plain line. Now my name begins with a J, so my name starts at that skyline down to the grass line and up to the plain line. The rest of the letters in my name are under the plain line, which are the dashes right here. Let's get started. So this page we have is actually tracing. So we've got an ant and we need to get the ant to the leaf in the center. This is the easiest thing you can do. Start at the dot and stay on that line. Trace, which means drag your crayon or pencil on. Drag and trace and pull it on the dotted lines or the dashes. Trace, keep going and stay on. Trace, keep going, stay on. Trace, keep going, stay on. Trace, keep going, stay on. Pull it and trace it and draw it on. Pull it, drag it, pull, drag, and stop at the dot. You made a little maze. Excellent work. The next page says to write a 1 with what happened first, that's a 1. Make a 2 for what happened next. Make a 3 for what happened last. Well, this hippo, you've seen this page before, is eating and making cookies. But before you can eat a cookie, before you can cook a cookie, you must mix the ingredients. That means the eggs and the flour and the water and the milk. So that will be right here. 1. After you mix the things you need to cook it. That would be 2. After it's cooking, you're ready to safely eat it. That would be last, 3. So, the next picture down here shows broken flowers and broken vase. Then, a sleeping cat, a happy dog, and a nice put together vase with nice flowers, not broken. This picture shows the cat waking up, the dog touching the cat, and something falling to the floor. So, before the vase looked like this, it was nice and put together. That's 1. Then next, it fell over and the flowers came out. That's 2. And last, when it fell to the ground and broke, that's 3. Excellent work. The next page, we need to look and find out. There are animals that are the same. There are animals that are different. These 2 zebras are the same. But this zebra is not. He is different. So you need to find the one that is different. He is different because his stripes are different than these 2. So let's look at these bumblebees. What is different? This one has 1 middle stripe and a tail. 1 middle stripe and a tail. 1 middle stripe and a tail. 1 middle stripe, another stripe. The tail is a different color. He is different. Let's look at the pigs. This pig is smiling, no spots. This pig is smiling, no spots. This pig is smiling, no spots. This pig is smiling, but has 1, 2, 3 spots. He is different. They do not have spots. Now let's look at the dog. This dog is happy. He is looking around, and he has 1, 2, an elbow spot and a dot spot and a face spot. This dog has 1, 2, an elbow spot, but no dot spot and no cheek spot. They're different so far, both of them. But let's go to the next one. This dog has an elbow spot, a dot spot, and a cheek spot. So he is the same as this one. So far, this one's different. This one has an elbow spot, a dot spot, and a cheek spot. So this dog is different. There is no cheek spot. There is no dot spot. We circle him. Now let's take a look at the candles on the birthday cake. We have the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's count the candles. 1, 2. We need to draw a 2 in the box. Actually, we need to draw 2 dots. So that would be right here. 1, 2. Let's count these. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is what we want our dots to look like. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. Now, if it's easier for you to just poke and make a dot, you can do that too. I'll show you how. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You can do that too. Let's count these candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is so easy. 1. Let's just draw 1 dot. That's the one over here. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We need to draw 6 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job. Then finally, we have a page here. Circle the things that belong at the beach. This is so easy. My bucket belongs at the beach. My sunglasses belong at the beach. My beach ball belongs at the beach. My beach umbrella belongs at the beach. I see starfish at the beach. And my mom's sun hat belongs at the beach. I don't bring a hose to the beach, and I don't bring a hammer. I'm not circling those 2 things. Now this page I highlighted with yellow. You can have your grown-up highlighted too. I highlighted it so you can see the numbers brightly. We start at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We always start at 1. Find the 1, and after 1 comes 2. Draw a line from 1 to 2. After 2, you have 3. Draw a line from 2 to 3. 2 to 3. After 3 comes 4. Find the 4. Draw a line from 3 to 4. After 4 comes 5. Find the 5. Draw a line. After 5 is 6. Find the 6. Right there. Go to 6. After 6, find this number. Not that one. 7. That's the one you want. After 7, find 8. Here it is. Draw a line from 7 to 8. After 8, find this number, a 9. Here it is. Draw a line from 8 to 9. After 9 is 10. Find that 10. Here it is. Draw a line 9 to 10. Then you have 11. So find 11. Looks like the pause button on your device. Right there. Draw a line. After 11, find 12. A 1 and a 2. That's not a 1 and 2. That's not. That's 1, 2. Then it's 1, 3, 13. 1, 3 is here. Draw a line to 1, 3. Then look for 1, 4. 1 4, draw a line. 14. After 14 is 15, 1 5. Where is the 1 5? Here it is. Draw a line. After 1 5 is 1 6, 16. That's a 1 8. There's a 1 6. Go from 1 5 to 1 6, 16. Then 17, 1 7. That's 1 8. There's 1 7. Draw a line to 1 7, 17. Then 18, 1 8. Here's 1 8. Draw a line from 1 7, 17 to 1 8, 18. Then 19, 1 9. Then 22, 0. Great work. See you tomorrow.